Hi guys, this is Anand from YouTube. Today we are talking about that Mercury. Mercury, it's a first planet. It's near to the Sun. It's the smallest planet of our solar system also. By the mm, concentrated mass wise, it's a second planet of our solar system. Now I told that this video, related to the Mercury, I make it into two video. First, I cover it in the physical structure and the rotational orbit of the uh, Mercury. Next, I told about the missions and some of the other details of Mercury in second video. First, I told about in Mercury's physical structures. Uh, Physical structure, physically we see that in that it's one of our four terrestrial planet. Um, its surface, um, it's the smallest planet in our solar system. Its surface has a mostly 70% is metallic, 30% is silicates. In equatorial side, the radius in equatorially we measured the radius 2497 kilometers radius. Its internal structure of is iron rich, only iron rich core. This core has a 42% of the planet's volume and 85 percentage of the radius of the planet. And similarly, we see that in the Earth only gets 17 percentage of its volume given to its core. But Mercury gets a higher higher volume of core. Mm, Mostly 2007 research told that some research told that core may be in molten, some core may be in the some parts of core may be in the solid, maybe molten solid like structure maybe in the may be present, some solid and liquid like structure may be in the core to that. Mm, but recent researchers in the core, what is in the core? In the core mostly iron nickel, this is in the core. After the state we see that messenger mission, by the messenger mission we get the information of a solid, the core has a solid inner core and the surrounded by there is a liquid outer core. It has a liquid outer core. This the iron and nickel metal circulations moving in the core. This makes the lower magnetic field because the um, the convection does not happen in the Mercury like Earth, because it has a very thin crust. Its mantle also, its mantle, mm, just 1% of Earth. Its magnetic field is 1%, just 1% of the Earth's. It's just 1% of the Earth's as Earth's strongest magnetic field. Its mantle as a 300 to 400 kilometers just thick, and in the mantle we see that silicate rocks only. Historically we see that it's just told that there is maybe some in the earliest time. In the early time, the Mercury may be in the 2.5 times bigger planet. Maybe some combination happen. The most of the mantle and the crust may be getting out from the planet. The only the inner core may be present. Now told that how I don't know that exact possibilities, and I not told that this is the true, but researcher told that like that because the core has a only iron rich core. Its core mm, its core is course covers only 3000 kilometers only, sorry, 3000 kilometers only its core covers. uh, mostly in crust of the Mercury is 35 to 40 kilometers to 50 kilometers maybe. In some parts of the Mercury, it has no, it's very thin. The crust is very thin, 20 to 20 to 20, 20 kilometers thin only. Mostly its surfaces we see that mostly cratered affected planet, like um, many, it's what I told that many thousands of craters are many thousands of sorry 1600 crater chains are in the biggest crater chains are in the Mercury surface. Many thousand and many on a thousand years, many thousands of craters are in the Mercury, some of the total places, and mostly we see that um, it's a desert planet. It's a total places to only planet deserted, and sodium and calcium. um, 1990 the machine 1890 to 1980 the research, by the research we get that information. Only sodium, calcium and potassium also present in the surface. After the messenger information used to the me used ours, magnesium also present in the Venus sorry Mercury surface. In 2008 we find that information also. The smaller size, the slow rotation may be the reason for the low magnetic field, maybe chance. And mm, I told that in the the largest crater is Caloris Planetium, Caloris Basin. We told that its diameter is 1550 kilometer. In the diameter, this crater, impacting of this crater um, make the lava explosions, and 2 kilometer height tall concentric um, concentric mountain ring in the um, Caloris basin. Mm, mm, and now I completed this video in this I am trying to complete in the rotation and of the rotation on some of the information told that I expected that, but I didn't told about fully. Now only complete the physical structures only. Next video I complete in the rotations and this other informations. Bye bye, see you. This is Anand from YouTube.